Running a giveaway with LeadPages can be a game changer for growing your audience and increasing engagement, but it can also be tricky if you don't know the right steps. Today, I'll show you how to run an effective giveaway using LeadPages step by step, and I'll share some insight into how this tool stacks up against other platforms. Stick around until the end, because I've got a special bonus that could save you a lot of time and money when setting up your giveaway. The first thing you need to do when setting up a giveaway on LeadPages is to create a landing page. LeadPages makes it super simple with pre-designed templates. You can choose from a variety of templates that suit the type of giveaway you're hosting, whether it's a contest, sweepstakes, or a product giveaway. Next, make sure you customize your landing page. LeadPages lets you change the text, images, colors, and more with an intuitive drag-and-drop builder. The goal here is to make your giveaway page look professional, but also eye-catching to get people to engage and enter. But here's a tip: make sure your headline is clear about the prize and the benefit. People need to know exactly what they're getting and why they should sign up. Now, let's talk about collecting those leads. LeadPages has integrations with email marketing tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and others. This is crucial because you want to collect your participants' emails so you can follow up with them after the giveaway ends. But be cautious. Sometimes these integrations don't sync perfectly, and you could risk losing leads if you don't test the integration beforehand. The fourth thing you'll want to do is set up a thank you page or confirmation message. Once someone enters, you want to immediately show them a thank you page that confirms their entry. You can also use this page to drive further engagement, like sharing the giveaway on social media or joining your email list for more updates. One feature that LeadPages boasts is its A/B testing. After you've set up your giveaway page, it's crucial to test which version performs better. LeadPages makes this easy, but it's still something you need to actively manage. The results might not be as immediately clear as some other tools, so you'll need to put some thought into interpreting the data. And here's something you'll want to keep in mind. While LeadPages is great for creating a beautiful, functional landing page, the tool can be a little limited if you need advanced features for your giveaway, like automating responses or customizing your giveaway flow. Some competitors provide more flexibility when it comes to these elements. Now, while LeadPages can definitely help you run a successful giveaway, there are alternatives out there that might be better suited to your specific needs, especially if you're looking for more automation or flexibility. I'll give you a glimpse of a couple of these tools at the end of the video, but keep watching because you don't want to miss out on an exclusive bonus I've got for you. Finally, make sure you promote your giveaway. LeadPages makes it easy to share your landing page link across multiple platforms, but you'll also want to use paid ads or social media to boost visibility. The more people who know about your giveaway, the more entries you'll get. So that's how you set up a giveaway using LeadPages. But like I mentioned earlier, there are other tools that might be a better fit depending on your goals. If you're looking for something with more automation and less manual work, I've got some amazing alternatives for you. Now, before you go, make sure to check out the link in the description. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial for LeadPages, plus some additional benefits that are only available to our viewers. But wait, I also included some great alternatives with free trials that could be more suited to your needs. If you want to make sure you're using the best platform for your giveaway, don't miss out.